In this video, I will show you how to remove parental control in Epic Games. Open your browser and go to Epic Games website. Click on profile icon in the top right corner. Sign into your Epic Games account using your credentials or an alternative sign-in option. After signing in, hover over your profile icon and select Account. In the side panel, click on Parental Controls. If the page says Set Parental Controls pin, do not set one and skip ahead. If a pin is required, enter your existing parental control pin and click Confirm. If you forgot your pin, click Forgot your pin and then confirm. Check your email for a receipt link and follow the instructions to create a new pin. Turn off Always Require a pin for purchases option. Scroll down and move the content rating slider to restricted R18 plus. Go back to the top and switch to the Social Permissions tab. Turn off the Require pin to add Epic Friends option. Set voice chat permission to everybody. Set text chat permission to everybody. Switch to Fortnite Settings tab. Set Fortnite content rating to mature. Turn on Allow Creative Mode. Turn off Mature Language. Your Epic Game parental controls are now disabled. If you still can't disable parental controls, it could be due to in-game settings or a combined account. A combined account means your Epic Games account is linked to a parental account which controls restrictions. You may need to request permission from the parental account to change settings. For additional support, visit the Parent Guardian request page on Epic Games Support. You can submit a support ticket or use a live chat if available. That's it. Now you know how to remove parental controls in Epic Games. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.